Welcome to this tutorial on how to make text move in CapCut PC. To begin, click on the text section and add default text by clicking on the small plus icon. Stretch the text over the entire video and input your desired text in the text box. In the preview screen, drag the text to where you want it to start. Next, scroll down to the Transform section and add the Transform keyframe. Move the playhead forward. In the preview screen, drag the text to where you want it to move. This action will generate a keyframe on your timeline. Play the video, and if the text movement appears too fast, adjust by moving the keyframe to the right to slow down the speed. Conversely, if the text movement seems too slow, adjust by shifting the keyframe to the left to accelerate the movement. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.